National Safe, the safest safe investment since 1991. We put our roller shutter door to the test with a crowd watching as 3 tough, strong and persistent men aim to break through with a crowbar and heavy-duty hammer. An alarm would have been activated at the initial start of the attack. As you can see, the roller shutter door stood its ground against the crowbar attack. National Safe is proud that all parts are sourced or manufactured locally. Our roller shutter doors are serviced nationally. We have great turnaround times with an excellent service history. Our roller shutter doors are of superior quality. A 10-kilogram heavy-duty hammer swung at high velocity is still no match for the roller shutter door. Minimal breakthrough, even after a barrage of attacks at extreme force. Roller shutter door specifications. Different options available depending on customer requirements. Slats. Your choice of perforated, solid or fenestra slats. 0.8 millimeters, 1 millimeter or 1.2 millimeters. Off-site monitoring. Off-site functions available to operate and view off-site. Safety sensors. To ensure that roller shutter door doesn't close on any objects or people. Motor. Various motor options available, from 10% to 100% duty cycle. Channel guides. High security 100mm used on the roller shutter door tested during the brake test. 76mm and 150mm options also available. T-bar. Heavy-duty T-bar utilized on the roller shutter door tested during the brake test. Powder coated. In any color, pricing varies depending on customer requirements. Roller shutter door can be used for various applications. Secure areas, banking institutions, government institutions, factories, chain stores, shop fronts, schools and garages. Any company or private entity that store high-value goods or requires additional security. Don't become a crime statistic. Protection is better than dealing with the after effects of crime.